Alright. Did a little adjustment on this carburetor. We'll see how she goes now. Alright. Give it. Running a lot smoother now. For a Chinese piece of shit. It's that hi-fi 3.5 horse off of eBay. Got it on this Intex Seahawk 4. I guess it runs alright. Had to mess with it for about an hour. There's only one adjustment screw. You gotta pop the cover off. Pain in the ass because the gas tank is attached to the side you gotta take off. So you gotta hold that. Try to adjust the screw at the same time. Better than paddling, I guess. So I don't know. I'd say spend the extra $200 or $300 and get a Merc or a Yamaha maybe. There's one on Craigslist right now, a 4-horse Merc. I'm gonna go buy that and see how she works on here. That'll be my next video. See if I can get this baby to plane out. Alright. Hi-Fi 3.5, C-Tex, Intex 4. See something? Whatever. That's how we roll. Here in Horicon, Rock River. Got the boys sitting in the van, they got cold.